Yo, what's going on, guys?
Wait, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Come on,
I'm
get
not
in.
ready.
Get in, Jacob.
I just myself. Change me.
I'm
Yeah, you
gonna
look
run
so
over this baby.
scared.
Yo, where are we going? His little booster
Let's
seat.
go to the house. Go to the
I
house. Go to
just
the
Go
house.
back to the house.
farted.
It's
It's
all
I
ready.
farted.
Jacob.
I was going when he ran over the baby.
Okay, ready, set, go. Today.
Yo, what's going on, guys?
I
Alright.
just
Yo.
so.
Hello, my name
I
is.
just myself again.
Oh my god! Wait, I have to change him. Oh
Bro.
my god! All right, let's do
Alright, let's
the
go back
tour.
downstairs. Let's go back downstairs.
All right,
Yo,
here's the
what
outside.
is going on, guys?
So when you walk in, you have the luxurious dining table
Wow.
with chandelier, $5 million chandelier right here.
Wow.
Wow.
Here you have the lounge area plus the kitchen
Oh.
here. A very nice countertop marble island right here, along with windows. Oh wait, this is my room up here.
This one? Oh, thanks.
Oh, this is one
This
that
is
I
my-
wanted.
This is my room. This is my room.
Wait, I want the pink room. Wait, who's sharing the room with Dylan? Not it.
Not it.
I am the parent. Ah, jeez. Okay, well I wanted the master bedroom, but I guess that goes to
I'll take.
Jacob, and
Yo.
I'll share the room with.
Dylan.
I'll
Is-
share the room with Dylan.
Guys.
Let's go.
Dylan drew on the ground.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
No, I didn't.
This is
Aren't
my
just
room.
the
I
chef.
want the
Jacob, you're the
pink
maid.
room.
How
You're
do
the maid.
I clean this up?
Get a broom. I
Where's
don't
the
know.
broom?
We
You
don't
have like no
one. Go
utensils.
to the
You don't.
store. Can you come back?
Come back. Wow. I'm here.
Here. Oh my god, I picked him up for a second.
Dylan.
I got him. I got
You need to
him.
Get in the car,
Alright,
little
let's
baby.
go. Let's go drop him in a ditch.
Oh.
Let's go to the grocery store.
Let's all go on a little family adventure. Alright, let's go.
Oh, I just farted. Roll down the window. Like,
Babies nowadays, am I
Alright,
right?
let's.
Oops,
What?
my bad.
What?
Grocery store time, you ready? You go to the grocery store? You get to pick out whatever you want. You get whatever you want.
yeah. Can I get a dildo?
Yeah, you can get a dill pickle.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god,
Let's
I should have
go,
dropped
let's
you
go,
off in the
something-
ditch.
Guys, I'm kind of starving right now.
You are? Well, then we have to go back. There's food at home.
Oh, well, I didn't eat it.
Well, that's sounds like a you problem.
Let's go. Let's go
So
to the gym.
true. Yo,
Yeah, this
I'm
is
about
the
to.
new
I'm
gym.
about to.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You just stopped crying, and you're gonna start crying again?
That's
Bro,
the
what's this
lookout?
guy doing?
Yo, get out of the way!
Yeah.
I'm gonna run you over, bruh. Alright, so we gotta go back home. The groceries are gonna get warm. Alfredo, you wanna go to the nightclub?
Yeah.
Alright, let's
Yeah, let's
go.
go to the nightclub. Before we go into the nightclub, I do need to do one thing really quick if I can pick you up. Just really quick, I just need to do one little thing over here.
We're gonna go to a
Just-
really fun place, Dylan.
There we go.
A magical place.
Alright, come on, Dylan.
Thank you. Alright. Come on.
Yes,
Okay,
I'd
you
like
just-
to place an order. Some,
Yo, I'm the
Back in the day, you
DJ.
used to be able to play any
Let's
song
go,
you
let's
want
go,
on
let's
here.
go.
Can't eat cheese. You know cheese makes you fart, and it's you can't eat it. Okay.
Are
I
the-
like to fart.
Oh
we
my
do-
god.
you know.
Guys, he needs to go to the bathroom. We need to take him back home before he poops his pants.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
I need to take a mad.
Bro, guy, where's
Wait, can I
Jacob?
drive?
Hurry before I blow it up.
Wait,
Yo.
Jacob.
Jacob,
Jacob,
hop
get
in.
in the car.
Yo.
Jacob, hop in. We pulled up.
He's
We
gonna
pulled up.
poop
We
his
pulled up.
pants, bro.
Yo.
It's
No,
coming.
no.
I'm making a shortcut. Make a
Yeah,
shortcut.
make a shortcut.
Bro, this is trespassing.
Oh
I blew up the toilet. You have to buy a new one.
my god.
You have to sing him a lullaby.
It's 6 a.m., bro. It's 6 a.m.
Well, he needs a
Yo.
6 a.m. nap.
I'm gonna start making breakfast.
Oh, Jacob just jumped off the balcony. What do you want, Dylan?
I think he's hungry. I think he's hungry.
All right, well, you said you're the mother, so breastfeed him.
Bro, how long does it
Where's
take
the
to
other
fry
guy?
pancakes?
I just realized
Dylan?
something.
Dylan.
Why is it
I just
still
realized
6 a.m.?
Change the channel.
It's
yeah.
stuck at 6 a.m. I think.
No.